Hi, welcome to Sana Cooks.
Hello guys, welcome back to Sana Cooks. Today we're doing a breakfast favorite in my family, pearl couscous with sweet pearl couscous. I hope you'll like it. Don't forget to subscribe, to give us some thumbs ups and some comments, and once you try it, let me know how it worked out for you, okay? Hi guys, so the ingredient for the sweet Tunisian couscous breakfast is pearl couscous, some sugar to taste. I'm using 1/3 a cup, 1 cup milk, and 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water. It's optional, so you guys can use vanilla if you like vanilla or any other flavor. Yum yum yum. We love orange blossom, so let's go on. Okay guys, I have my water going to boil. Meanwhile, I'm gonna add the sugar. My water is boiling. It's time to add the pearl couscous.
I can't believe that.
You love this, right?
How to see that?
Yeah,
Can you see?
Yes, it's boiling.
Yeah, boiling.
Boiling.
I don't know boiling.
Boiling is when the water gets to 100 degrees
Whoa.
and starts making those bubbles. That's boiling.
I can see all the couscous.
Yeah, we're gonna let them cook there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we will show the
Mommy,
result.
I like hot.
I know you love hot. I'm gonna show them how much you love hot, okay?
Okay.
It's normal that you guys have those bubbles, so just keep stirring and they will go down. Guys, 15 minutes in, you can see the couscous is cooked and the water is reduced. At this point, some people will add in butter. My husband loves it with butter and Sarah loves it with butter, so I'm gonna add a little bit. You don't have to, it's really optional, it's to taste. I'm gonna add in my milk and my orange blossom. Stir in, and just as it comes back to boil, I'm gonna turn off the heat. So by about 20 seconds, as you can see, start bubbling again. I'm gonna turn off the heat. So guys, it's cooled down a little bit, and I'm gonna just serve a small portion to Sarah. This is her favorite breakfast as well as her daddy. You see it? At this point, you can also add a sprinkle of cinnamon if you want to, or some dried raisins. You can really make it your own. It's almost the same way as making oats, but with the Tunisian touch, with the pearl couscous. And yeah, I hope you like it and you try it and you let me know how you find it. How is it? Hot? And is it good? Mama, is it good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up guys, and subscribe to our channel. Can you ask them to subscribe to our channel?
Subscribe for our channel. Some subs, and please subscribe to my mom's channel. And I just made a soccer transfer. You want to see my jersey? There you go.
Yeah, he's training for soccer. That's why Sarah is helping today in this video.
Yeah, he's
And this is
replacing me.
yeah, and she does love this breakfast. It's her favorite, right?
Yeah.
She loves the Tunisian couscous
Yeah.
with her curly hair. Okay. So you're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, don't burn yourself. Is it still hot?
Yeah.
Move it a little bit, Mama. It's a big love story between her and me.